Today we're making steamed crème caramel, a French classic. It serves 6 and takes about 4 hours, including chilling. Let's get into it. First, let's check the ingredients. 1 cup granulated sugar for the caramel, 1/4 cup water for the caramel, 2 1/2 cups of whole milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 4 large eggs, 2 large egg yolks, 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar for the custard, 1 pinch of fine salt, water for steaming, as needed. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Warm 2 1/2 cups of whole milk with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract over medium heat until it's steaming but not boiling. Take it off the heat and let it infuse for 10 minutes. For the caramel, combine 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Cook over medium heat without stirring until deep amber, about 6 to 8 minutes. Quickly divide the hot caramel into 6 6-ounce ramekins and swirl each to coat the bottom. Let it set until firm. Set up a steamer. Add water for steaming as needed to a large pot with a rack, bring it to a gentle simmer and keep it covered. In a bowl, gently whisk 4 large eggs and 2 large egg yolks, just until combined, avoiding foam. Add 2/3 of a cup of sugar and 1 pinch of fine salt to the eggs and whisk until fully dissolved. Slowly pour in the warm vanilla milk while whisking, then whisk just until combined. Strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve into a pitcher to remove bubbles or any bits. Pour the custard evenly into the caramel-lined ramekins, leaving a little space at the top. Skim any bubbles on the surface with a spoon so the custards stay smooth. Cover each ramekin tightly with foil to stop condensation from dripping in. Place the ramekins in the steamer over gently simmering water. Cover and steam until the centers have a slight wobble, 20 to 25 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the custards rest, covered, for 5 minutes to finish setting. Carefully lift out the ramekins and cool them at room temperature for 30 minutes. Refrigerate until fully chilled and set, at least 3 hours. To serve, run a thin knife around each custard, invert onto a plate, and let the caramel flow over the top. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you loved this steamed crème caramel, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more delicious videos.